through the first few classes, the energy was very apparent and very in my face, and I could feel, I could see, I can interact.
With the four directions, with Ishwara and Brahma and Mahadeva and Vishnu, I feel that with them. I feel that with Shiva and Shakti and Parama, especially with Parama. Oh my God, it's like this immensity of totality, and it can be a little scary, but when you embrace it, it's undescribable in a sense, because you're allowing because he represents totality, you're allowing the all of everything that is in.
Not last night, but the night before, it was really cool also. I could really pull the fire. I was pulling, and it wasn't a serpent, it was a really wild dragon. His eyes were wild. It was like if Shakti in her hugest, craziest, like full power was a dragon also, and it was just like it would come up and go, and then it would shoot out of my mouth and eyes to them, and then reverberate back to me, and I was just like fanning myself. I felt really good. I really liked it. In the beginning in class, Shiva and Shakti were always really powerful, but every time I've done it myself, they're there and I feel them and I can call on them. But Parama it's intense. Like it lights up here, I feel it zap in, and then it just stays. And all I have to do is think about it anytime during the day, and and it grows too. It's not always like a small, it'll take over like my full forehead. It's soft, gentle, and then it's also like right there and poof, when I need it.
I studied Qigong, which I'm still really into, and Chinese medicine theory, and got really into like healing with polarity therapy, and have used that, and shiatsu acupressure, and have used all these different modalities. And then, from there, gone and I did like Vipassana meditation retreats and did the silent things for 10 days. And I feel like I've been on this journey most of my life, really learning about different spiritual modalities, different healing modalities, Eastern, Western, like really from as many cultures and provinces as I can find. But this definitely is different. I was talking to my patient's caregiver today about it, and she was like, "Oh, my brother does that." And I was like, "Really? He does Shiva Murti?" And so it's interesting that when you talk about energy work, people are really quick to say they know what it is, or, and I think we all sort of do that. We want to try to find familiarity in whatever someone's telling us about. But this is really different. And I think one of the ways that it's different is that I'm not so much trying to exert my own energy or will. It's that I'm really trying to just channel these universal energies through me to do the healing work. And I'm there and I'm a part of it. But I like that it's just different. It's interesting because I'm exerting my own will so much of the time in my life and in my work that it's nice to not. It's very different.